Hello everybody, Robert here with more Revit training, and today we're going to continue on with this project where we did the design options. So this area is going to be the laundry room supposedly, and then remember as before we did an option 2 where we had the kitchen back here. So what we're going to do in this video, we're going to look at the floors, and then we're going to add a laundry room back here, which is going to be in the main model. So first of all, let's go in and let's start adding some basic fixtures for a laundry room. So I'm going to go here to insert. Now I'm going to go to systems. I should have a plumbing fixture there. There's my sink. We'll just place these anywhere. I guess I could sink it here. And then we'll have, let me see, some kind of equipment here, I think. Oh yeah, hot water heater. This is just arbitrarily locating it for now. I'm not sure where you want to put that. I might put that here and this over here. Yeah, do something like that. Of course, we'll just do it this way because we'll need a wash and dryer here. So I'm going to go with system again, plumbing fixture. Here I have a stack wash and dryer, and we'll put it right there. And we might want to move this GCI over. Well, that's fine right there. So okay, so there's our backspace for our laundry room here. So what has to be done? We have to add these elements to our main model. So I'm going to just select these here and go back to the little add to set. And these are going to be in option 1, and I'll say OK. So now we look again, we can see our primary is that, and then we'll go back to option 2. So everything's looking good there. So now what we want to work on now is our floors. So I'm going to go back in main model. So for this, I'm just going to go from here through here with tile, and all the rest of this is wood. Since this is kitchen and laundry, I'll just do this. So I'm going to go architecture, floor, architectural floor. This is going to be wood. So actually, let's do this tile first. It'll be easier, I think. Oh yeah, we're already in it. So I'm going to go from, let's say, from about here all the way over to here. Yeah, we'll give it an extra foot overlap, something like that. Span direction. Wait a second here. Oh, there we go. And let's see, let me align this in here and just make this a little pretty up a bit. Okay, now I'm going to finish that. Attach here. And there's my, okay, wait a second here. This should be tile. So I'm going to edit this type. Let's see, do I have any more floor in there? Let's see, thought I did. Let's try this one here. Oh, there we go. So we've got our tile in now. So that's going to be for the wet areas. Now let's do another floor system. So I'm going to go here. It's going to be kind of goofy, but let's see how it looks. So I'm going to go floor. And this will be wood. I want to do this wood finish here. And for this one, I'm just going to go right around here. See if I can do this. This is going to be there. Actually, the whole rest of this is going to be wood. Just, uh-oh. Got a little issue right there we will need to fix. Yes, getting a little janky here, sorry. I'm gonna just take this up here. And we want to just close all this off. I hope this works. Let's see if we'll finish that. Don't attach. Okay, so there's our floor system here. And let's go look at this in our 3D view. Okay, so now we've got our floor in for this option. This is going to be our main. So what I'm going to do here, just to make life simple, I want to select this floor. Really, the only issue is here. We're going to just go, this is what we'll do for this. We'll select this floor right here. Oh, I can't do it that way. Okay, so I'm going to do another thing here. So I've got this floor, and I'm going to just leave it there. So let's see what happens if we go into our option 2. So in option 2, we really don't, okay, this area should come back to, I should just split these up because this area wants to become wood again once we go into option 2. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go back to my main model. Don't let this confuse you or get confused about all this because it's very simple. So right here, I'm going to select this guy here in main, and I'm going to edit this boundary back to here. And then I'll finish it. Okay, so now we have this floor system here. So now what's going to happen at this point, if we can do this, I'm going to come here and I'm going to create another floor in here. And this floor is going to go in option 2. I'm just going to do 2 separate floors here, one wood and one tile. So here it's going to be the wood one. Got my wood floor here, so I'm going to do right here to here. I'm going to change the span direction this way. I don't think this is going to be too bad. I hope not anyway. And then I'm going to finish this. Okay, now I'm going to select this floor, and I want this floor in option 2. Yep, I want it to be that way in this option. So then I'll go back to my main, and it looks like this. So now in option 1 in main model, I want to select this, and let's see what I want to do here. This is kind of confusing, tricky, but this is kind of where we want. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go here and I'm going to go back to main for the primary 2. So what happens here is that's what we want to see in 2, but in main we don't want to see that. So what I'm going to have to do in main is go in here, create another floor. This is going to be tile. Okay, and we need to fix this up a little bit here. Just align this to this edge. And that's all good there. And then I want to finish this wrong floor. I'll just say, and I'll just change it this way. Okay, now here, I got both floor systems, so the tile, I want to grab it if I can. There it is. And I want the tile to go into my main model. So what I'll do is take this little guy here, and I don't want to see the tile in option 2. So I'll go OK. Okay, now go back into main again, and we want to select wood finish. Uh-oh, wrong floor. This should go into option 2. And that's what we want to see. So hey guys, I'm going to finish the interior. Just wanted to show you how this would work. Let's have a look at this in our 3D view. Okay, so now let me just go in the main model. There's our main. And then got some issues in there I don't have to fix. And then our option 2. So I want that open area and that one in the kitchen area back there. But anyway, that's what's going to happen there. So hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Helps me make videos like this all the time. And everybody be safe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Please subscribe. Everybody take care. Bye.